My name is Saima Iqbal and I joined FD in 2007 April. First I was appointed in a rural school and I went there for 1.5 years, then I got transferred here in 2008 and since then I've been teaching here. This course is really close to my heart because I did my primary from this school and I own this school. When I joined this school, lots of things were changed as compared to my time when I was in primary. But the obstacle that I went through was still the poor background of the students, illiterate backgrounds, non-cooperative community, and with no awareness regarding the importance of education, that how education is important to change the life of a normal citizen, of a child, because most of the parents are laborers or the daily workers or the servants working in the other houses. The essence of education is not still as much absorbed into their mind as they should be. Niyat is a great initiative. Teachers and students are mutually benefited by this because the lesson plans are well structured, sequential, comprehensive and intelligible for both teachers and students. And the thorough lesson plans and adaptable teaching strategies has helped the teachers to address the need of the students. These lesson plans emphasize more on activity-based learning. The one thing that I appreciate more is the digitalized lesson plans. A topic that teacher takes 30 to 40 minutes to explain, a video can take 5 to 10 minutes to explain in a better way. So videos are a commendable effort of Niyat program, and coaches are very cooperative, always available. They are always there for you, any time of need. If you have any question, any query, they will answer. If they can't answer, they put it to the higher authorities and they get it answered. And Ifra is our coach and she is really cooperative, and we must appreciate all the Niyat coaches. They are doing something good in a sense that they are putting their 100%, and Niyat is getting the desired result very quickly within no time. The number of presences has been increased. Now the students do not go on leave or on absentees because they are enjoying the classrooms. So this is the great effort of the Niyat. I am really grateful to Niyat's team and to my mentor for nominating my name. I feel really impressed, appreciated and supported for the fact that they have been awarded us with the Teacher Excellence Award. First, our untiring efforts of as teacher has been acknowledged, supported and loved by the Niyat